Ilan Gallardo no ang Cagayan de Oro Press Club President. Sir, nagpagawas na ba ang Cagayan de Oro Press Club og statement no sa kanang pamahayag labi na kay daghan na nga mga grupo or organization sa Cagayan de Oro nga media nagpagawas pod niya gihulatan na lang gyud ang Cagayan de Oro Press Club. Reaksyon nimo sa pamahayag ni Governor Juliet Oy, sir?
Karon mohatag na kog statement jud kay wa mo gyud ko maghatag ninyo sa kabitan. Okay. Kani magod, it's a very grave attack on the media para sa kuana mo. Very serious kay ang accusation sa local media. So nagkaron human man sa board meeting na mo na hiniusang statement yun nga i-decidean sa tibok board, 15-man board ang nag-decide ani. Dili ini ako lang nga desisyon. So, kung mahimo akong basahon ako gamay ang partly sa unsay among statement kani nyara gi-issue na mo karon lang hapon December 3 ang amo is the Cagayan de Oro Press Club stand firmly behind its members who are currently under fire for fulfilling their sworn duty covering alleged irregularities in government-led projects and services. It has come to our attention that legitimate criticisms of public officials have been met not with transparency but with vitriol. We have documented incidents involving manipulated images, insinuation of bias reporting, and the circulation of tired, cynical narrative that news outlets reporting contrary to official propaganda are paid media. So, during her speech, she mentioned her dislike to the media. And the media personnel dependence for politicians in order to survive. Such statement may be her personal views, but saying it in a public event inside the Capitol grounds made it as a pronouncement of provincial government she represents. So yan ang partly ana. So we are going to issue the statement saying we really condemn. And there are moves right now na they want to reconcile with us. No. If there is reconcilement, it should not be made into one group. Okay, Tadibok industry. Yang gikuan. The capital should call all KBP managers of stations and even the Capital Press Call are nag-resign na sila tanan. And kami, they should have a one meeting. Sige, gusto niyo meeting ta. We are not yet. Di mi buang nga dili mi makig-deal. We will do.
But as of the moment, wala pa ba nag-reach out from the office of Governor Juliet Oy?
Personal sa ako, nag-reach out si Popoy o si Joan in fairness to them. And I said, no, I will wait for the decision ng COPC whether kaya di ko ako lang lugar mo reach out with the board unfair sa
but
board.
During sa ilang reach out, Sir Froy, unsay lang gusto mahitabo, mag-meet up mo or
meet up mag-meet up ni ko di pwede ako ra. We should meet as a group,
but
not only as COPC pa. Not only with COPC, not with only CPC. Sala inyo man gi-atake ang tanan. At tanan pud may inyong istoryahon. Not a single group. Apil na tanang radio station man. Kita man tanan ang gigoan, di ba?
But naay mga nigawas pod sa side no sa in fairness pod sa Capitol. Nag-ingon sila nga dili tanan mo ilang gipanghingusgan nga dili daw tanan media. Di are ilang gipasabot ato kana daw mga paid black timers pod nga gapa tuo og media. So na-identify ba naa sa Cagayan de Oro Press Club ang kanang mga member po din nga black timers og paid by politicians, Sir Floyd?
Statement after the fact naman na. Ila. Pero sa statement ni Julia, she never mentioned nga money si Kwan, money sila, black timer na. No, iya gilaras tanan. So alang-alang di mo kignat, mo kig-away ang tanan. They want, ay harap man sila musulti nga napaso na sila ng Mayo. Kita nila karon gikan kang Senator Erwin Tolpo, gikan sa Manila, inyo JP Manila, tanan nga organizations tibok Pilipinas nagbaymay na sa ila. Abi man siguro nila ang local media walay connected, dili part and parcel sa national media. I beg to disagree. Ang Cagayan de Oro media is one of the most progressive members ng media community sa Pilipinas. Ayaw nila dapat dili nila i-share sa kilid.
If ever nga dili madayon sir ang kaniang makigdeal ba kaha naabay plano ang COPC nga i-boycott ang Miss Or Corp?
I would take another meeting sa COPC. That decision should not be rest on me. Should not rest on me. Although beforehand, nanay calls, and we will study it. Rest assured, dili mi basta mo pataka og decision.
Okay. Thank you, Sir Floyd.
Thank you sir.